When I was doing my comparison Xiaomi 14 Pro against the 15 Pro, people were rightfully talking about the benchmark scores and say benchmark scores are not everything. There are other things that are more important, like real-time usage, like video rendering, for example, or AI processing. So we will, in this video, I will show you some of those things. So first of all, video rendering. So let's go and try to open video editors, and here I think I have it under multimedia. KineMaster. I'm using KineMaster here on both of them because I have a project already done in KineMaster that I can just simply import. I don't want to do this. Okay. So apparently I used too many devices already with this one. Create new device, and we go into import there. Don't show this again. And for some reason this one has twisted everything here. We have the same project, so 3, 2, 1, and we will start to import this project. 1, 2, 3. And you see it's a bit quicker here on the 15 Pro. Then it's now in landscape, of course, but it's the same project here. I think it's an HD project there with a little bit of like test, nothing too complicated. Let's go into export there, and we will take a look at the export options there. So here we have the 15 Pro, here we have the 14 Pro. Nothing has changed. We want to export it, let's say full HD, and bitrate is 1648. So 3, 2, 1, go. And there we can see slight start. I had the 15 Pro and a bit slower the 14 Pro. I think the 15 Pro will win, should win, has a better processor there. Yes, 15 Pro wins, and now the 14 Pro. So there you can see it is not a huge difference there for this little project, but imagine having like a half an hour, or what was it, 40 minutes kind of video that I create last time. Then it will take a while, and the 15 Pro will definitely be faster for video rendering. This is just full HD, but yeah, imagine 4K will be as well very, very fast there indeed. So the next thing that we want to check out is AI rendering, because both of them feature the AI and an AI function. This is the same image on both of them. I copied the one from the 14 Pro to the 15 Pro. The same function that allows us to expand images via AI. So what they use is like computational photography, computational algorithms to expand the image, so the surroundings. So we go into edit. As this is HyperOS 2, this is HyperOS 1 still. This one is under the crop menu, and we have the AI expansion, as you can see here. So this is the expanded thing. It's the same plugin. It's an offline plugin, so both of them I can disconnect from the internet and it will be rendered on device. And here I have a separate AI function, and I can go to expand, which is like the same kind of thing. We leave the default settings on, and I will hit start on both of them. 3, 2, 1, go. This one has a percentage, this one just expanding image. This one is ready, this one not. Might be still a bug in HyperOS 2. It's rendering on device here, you see it. And it's doing quite a good job. With this one, I don't know what this one is doing. There we go. So it took a lot longer on the HyperOS 2 device on Xiaomi 15 Pro, which is a bit of weird, even though both should use the in-device kind of thing. You can see the before and after. Well, the only thing that I notice is there's much more detail here, and it added something like this here, where here it was more accurate. So yeah, the AI expanding option is a bit quicker on the 14 Pro, and I think also the result is a bit more accurate. Can we try it again? 3, 2, 1, go. You can see the percentages are counting up, where here I don't have percentages, it's just like a nice animation. This one is finished already, same kind of result. And here we have to wait for a long time on the 15 Pro. I'm not sure why that is the case, and I think, there we go. Now we have the same result as you see here with the 14 Pro, but it took a lot longer on the 15 Pro. So something's going on there. Either the algorithms are newer, and doing a lot more than on the 14 Pro, or the 14 Pro is just quicker in this AI rendering test. So this is, I think, quite interesting for some people when it comes to those kind of features. The other thing that might be very interesting is like opening times of apps. I know some people will say this is basically not so interesting, but I want to do it at least for a few applications, so you get like a basic gist of what or which one of those devices is faster. If there's any difference even, let's go to settings, 3, 2, 1, go. Basically on the same time, I don't notice much of a difference there, and probably this is like a reoccurring theme here. So let's go and try to open the file manager. 3, 2, 1, go. I think maybe a bit faster on the 15 Pro there in loading also all the files. And these are the built-in applications. How about some other applications, like let's go and find F-Droid. 3, 2, 1, go. And again, a bit faster on the 15 Pro. So yes, you will notice that it's just like if you have them side by side, you notice that the 15 Pro is a bit snappier than the 14 Pro, but most of the time they are basically equal. Let's go and try to open KineMaster again. Or let's try to open CapCut instead of KineMaster. 3, 2, 1, go. And here you see again, it's a bit quicker on the 15 Pro than on the 14 Pro. So in general, yes, the 15 Pro is in general a bit faster. There's some quirks with the AI stuff that the only thing that I could really test, which is a bit weird that it was a lot slower there on the 15 Pro than on the 14 Pro. But when it comes to app opening times and the rendering times for videos, for example, the 15 Pro with its Snapdragon 8 Elite is showing its power there. So it is a bit quicker than the 14 Pro. But if you have to decide, both are very quick still. And if you find the 14 Pro for a cheaper price, get this one, because like it's almost like 95, 92% of the same speed that we have on the 15 Pro for now. This might change in the future. Also with future updates, the camera might get a lot better here on the 15 Pro in comparison to the 14 Pro. And especially, like I said, content creators, USB Type-C, external mics are working a lot better on the 15 Pro in contrast to the 14 Pro for now. HyperOS 2 on the 14 Pro might fix this bug as well. And then I would say, get the cheaper 14 Pro because it's as good as the 15 Pro. The only big differentiator between those two is the display slightly brighter here and the power usage a lot better on the 15 Pro. So if you want a long lasting battery life, then get the 15 Pro. So this as second part basically to my comparison 14 Pro against 15 Pro. Now in real-time tests, not benchmarks, but real tests, you see that the 15 Pro is slightly faster than the 14 Pro, but it's not a huge margin. So this is the comparison between those two here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have some other questions, write them down in the comment section. Until the next time, bye bye bye.